What's the meaning of chaconne? Chaconne. Chaconne.
Chaconne. Chaconne. Chaconne refers to a musical composition that originated in the Baroque period, typically written for solo instruments such as violin or keyboard. It is characterized by a continuously repeating harmonic progression, usually in triple meter, over which a series of variations are built. The chaconne was often used as a showcase for virtuosic playing and expressive interpretation. The form has since been adapted and modified in various ways by composers in subsequent periods, including as part of larger works such as operas and ballets. Overall, the chaconne represents a significant contribution to the development of Western classical music.